Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So I'm going to go ahead and thrift flip some items to make a beautiful home decor piece. Come on with me, guys. So in my stash, I found this glass and this black ball, but I don't think I'm gonna keep that glass like this. So let me go grab some black paint and get myself ready to paint this. Now that black I purchased at the Dollar Tree in their crafters section, and it looks like it has a shiny finish, and as you can see here the bowl has a matte finish. That doesn't seem to bother me any, but if it does, you guys make sure and get like a matte finish or a shiny finish, whichever way. Now the good part about the paint at the Dollar Tree, they're pretty pigmented. So I'm only gonna need to give this glass 2 coats and then we're good to go. But I'm gonna go ahead and paint this. We're gonna leave this overnight and I'll continue this project the next day. Now I'm finished painting that glass. We're just going to leave that sit. So we are back. Everything is fully dry. So we're going to start working with an adhesive. So let me just say this. In my opinion, they have a liquid cement glue that works better than the fix-all adhesive, but that's just in my opinion. Now remember, when you're working with an adhesive, you want to allow 24 to 48 hours of drying time so you don't have any accidents. Okay, this helps the glue to cure, and then this way you don't have to worry about things falling apart. And this is why I like this glue better, especially when you're working with heavy pieces. So I have that glue down. So I'm going to forget about this piece for 2 days, guys. So now once this piece is dry, guys, let's head on over and create a vignette. I absolutely love how this piece came out, and wait till you see it. It looks like something that you would purchase at a high-end store. I am loving this. I can see myself using this all fall and winter. Okay, so we're gonna place that inside of the tray, and since I've been using lots of lemons lately, guys, I'm going for the lemons. So I decided to go ahead and grab my little beehive. It's so beautiful. And of course the rolling pin. So we're gonna use that. I'm gonna continue decorating this, and I'll see you at the end. It looks beautiful. I am in love with this. Let's head on over to the review, guys. So I think that my thrift flip came out absolutely amazing, and I hope that you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.